What's up guys, today I'll be comparing a $5 cube to a $50 cube. Enjoy. So as you may all know, I recently used my Gans Air SM at Cologne Open 2018 and I got a pretty nice for me 15.6 single. Even after I messed up my Z-perm at the end, which was pretty nice. While I was solving with the DianSheng cube, I noticed that the corner cutting was not that good. You couldn't really turn that fast because it kept catching. The plastic was also pretty cheap, so I had a lot of lockups, and overall the white plastic was also one reason, and I just got a really bad time. But the cube was really slow and really bad while solving, so definitely don't solve on this. The stickers on the GAN Air SM are almost perfectly placed. It does have some rips in it, but that's expected while having almost 1,000 sols on a cube. DianSheng doesn't really have stickers. The stickers have some type of film on top of it, so you cannot scratch them off, which I find is actually really good, but it's not that good because the stickers are overall very poorly placed and are not straight. Scanner SM can corner cut 45 degrees even after my tight tensions, which doesn't really happen with a lot of cubes, and reverse is exactly the same. The DianSheng cube barely corner cuts anything, just like one QB, which I know, yeah, it's not really expected for it to corner cut as it only costs $5. The Ganner SM and the DianSheng are almost exactly the same. If not, I think they're the same size. They also feel the same size in the hand. Yeah, the DianSheng doesn't specify its size though.